Okay, this is simply a sign that your keyboard is having issue. You are trying to do something with the keyboard. Okay, the keyboard keep giving stars. When you delete it, delete the stars, and you keep getting the stars again. Okay, you delete the stars and you feel like putting in something. When you want to select, now allowing you to select. You want to select just one, it's selecting multiple. It types nonsense. Okay, it doesn't allow you to type what you have in mind. Then just know that your keyboard is bad. When you start typing different things from what you want to type, just know that your keyboard is bad. So the best way is to replace the keyboard. Okay, you see even the mouse misbehaving. So what causes this to say a keyboard that is bad? The keyboard is bad and then it's misbehaving. So it's a sign that your keyboard is misbehaving. This is a sign that your keyboard is behaving, and you need to change this keyboard for you to enjoy your laptop. So it starts typing wrong characters, different from what you have in mind to type. So when you have this, just know that your keyboard is bad, and just need to replace it. When you start typing, you want to type W and you are getting the repeated text, repeated numbers, repeated characters, or even strange numbers and special numbers, different from what you have in mind to type. I want to type NS1. It's giving a different thing. So don't just know that keyboard, if no key is hanging, just run your finger through, and after running your finger through the keyboard and you try typing again and it's still giving you the same thing, just know, okay, I've run the finger through. Okay, when you run the finger through, and so it's okay now. When you run the finger through and you start typing very well, that means one key is just pressing. But if you run the finger through and it's still misbehaving, it means the keyboard is bad and you need to replace it. Okay, so I hope you did enjoy it. Thank you for watching.